everyone! Welcome to my channel. I am Shari of Cagayan de Oro City, and if you are new here po, I am doing a vlogging basics series here in my channel para po makatulong dun sa mga gustong gumawa ng videos or gustong magkaroon ng YouTube channel. So this video is a second video of making thumbnails, and this time it would be with Canva, which is available in the internet po. So that is free. You can also use that. So after this would be the Canva using the mobile phone. So guys, if you're interested, just keep on watching. So guys, let's start po. Type lang natin canva.com. Guys, pag first time nyo pong pumunta po dito, kailangan nyo pong mag-sign up. So, the same with other website, guys, kailangan nyo lang mag-login. Lagay nyo po yung lahat ng information nyo. And, this is free po, by the way. So, as nakikita nyo po, naka-sign up na po ako dito. And, ito po yung itsura ng canva.com online. Sa desktop po natin. And ayan po yung mga designs po nila. So, pwede naman pong i-click lang or type lang natin para sa tutorial natin. YouTube thumbnail. Pwede po din po kayong gumawa ng logo dito sa website na to, guys. And that's for free. Pero pag may mga additional features na po, kailangan nyo po silang bayaran. I will choose the design that I use for the filming room tour. So, this one. So guys, tingnan nyo siya ha, kung free. Ayan, may nakalagay naman na free. So if you are going to move the mouse, ayan, may nakalagay po na free. So yun yung pwede natin gamitin if hindi po natin gustong mag-pay. So for this one po, ito po yung picture. Hindi po ito atin, but you can use that because nga it's free. But let's change that as what I've suggested po. Dapat related po siya dun sa content nyo. Okay? Para hindi po siya clickbait. So, pwede tayong mag-upload ng picture. So, dito may uploads dito sa area na to, sa left-hand side of your screen. Let's click that one, uploads. As you can see, guys, meron akong uploads po dito. You can also upload a new image or video here. Just click this button and pwede po kayong mag-upload ng pictures dyan. So, I will use my old picture. I will just click on the picture. And after that, I am going to resize the picture. Ayan. And then, I will click the position to push it back so that the white design would appear. So, backward. Ayan. So, for this one, I'd like to drag the design on the left-hand side of the screen so that it's visible. And I will also drag this one. And I want it flashed left. Ayan. So, ito po yung naka-center siya or naka-flash right or left siya, guys. So, palitan natin to ng filming room. Pwede nyo rin pong i-change yung font color nito. So, palitan natin ng filming room. Sug lang natin siya ng konti. And then, let's add another text. The same lang po, dito lang din po sa left-hand side of your screen. And then, you can choose the design here. Pwede rin pong gumawa kayo ng sarili. But, gusto ko tong style na to. So, meron din po siyang nakalagay na free. Pag wala po, you have to pay for it. So, double-click. Drag natin dito. Double-click to change the text. And, lalagay ko lang tour. And on the lower part, I will put ShaiTalks CDO. ShaiTalks CDO. And then, it will change the font color. So, nakikita nyo po tong A na may rainbow sa baba. Yan po yung button to change the font color. And then, I will change it to red. And i-adjust ko lang po yung location niya. And then I will recolor the I will recolor this one to white. And I will make it bold. Ayan po. So, I am okay with that since I love the simple designs of thumbnails. Basta lang po visible siya. But you can actually change the style of your picture or yung filter. So, just click the picture and click filter on the upper part. And then you choose what style of the picture yung gusto nyo. So, ayan siya. May epic, festive, summer, Kali, there. So, medyo saturated siya ng konti. Gusto ko to festive. And then you can adjust the intensity. Ayan. Masyadong bright. So, dito lang ako sa around 40 or 41. Tapos na po tayo dito sa ating thumbnail tutorial and let's just click download. You can choose either PNG or JPEG or JPG, but I will just do as it is. So PNG and then download. And this is what you can see on your screen. You can actually download this on your mobile app. So, yan po yung susunod. Paano tayo mag-edit sa mobile app na gagawin natin. So, let's just open our file. So, yan na po yung ating finished product. And if you have video suggestion po, please don't hesitate to comment that down below. And if you haven't subscribed, just click the subscribe button and the bell notification on the side for you to be notified each time I upload a new video. Thank you so much and mag-antay lang po kayo sa ating mga vlogging basics na topic here sa aking channel. Thank you and God bless everyone. Bye!